And now it's time for the next exciting episode of
The World's Most Deadly Equation.
To meet our first contestant, we must travel deep into the ice caverns of Kwanzaa Doom.
Yikes.
There it is. Looks like a right triangle.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the
Pythagorean theorem.
Wait a minute. Why are we screaming? That equation's really short.
It's just a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Like a scorpion, this equation is small in size, but extremely powerful. One drop of its venom can kill an entire basketball team or a 300-pound linebacker, whichever comes first.
But how are we going to bring it back with us?
If you pick it up by one of its legs, you'll be able to slip it into this sack without being poisoned by its deadly venom. Just be careful not to touch the hypotenuse.
Where's the hypotenuse?
It's his longest side, opposite to the right angle, slanting down to meet his legs.
You mean this one?
Yes, it's the hypotenuse. No, don't touch it. Looks like we've lost another student to another deadly equation. Fortunately, we have plenty of students left.
To find our second contestant, we must sail to the island of Feliz Navidad and wait for the quadratic formula monster to come out of its lagoon.
Hopefully we won't have to wait too long, because we promised Ms. Williams that this presentation would be under 3 minutes.
I've got an idea. If we recite the formula together, we can control the equation and make it do what we need it to do.
But how can we remember the quadratic formula? It's so long. Its neck alone can reach halfway from here to Caesar's palace.
Just sing, Pop Goes the Weasel.
X is equal to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Oh yeah!
Look! The monster came out of the lagoon. There's no way it'll fit in the stack.
What are those things hanging from its mouth?
Swamp roots. Just pull on 2 of the roots and the formula will follow you. But make sure you're pulling on real roots, because the imaginary roots will strangle you.
Looks like we have just enough students left to pick up our third contestant from the top of the Empire State Building. This is the birthplace of Isaac Newton.
But the Empire State Building is in New York and wasn't built until 1931. Isaac Newton was born in 1543 in a small English hamlet.
But we haven't got time for Hamlet. Our 3 minutes are almost up.
Is that King Kong up there?
No, it's the deadliest equation of all, the law of gravity.
The force of gravity between 2 objects is directly proportional to the product of the 2 masses and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the objects.
Well, what does capital G stand for?
I'll tell you when you're older.
Get out of the way before the equation falls on top of us.
Plus, gravity killed the beast.
Sorry, folks. We're out of time and out of students.
Then next week to see our 3 monsters competing for the title of
The World's Most Deadly Equation.